Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume Unit 2, Lesson 3 and 4 and end from this unit today. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today we are going to resume our unit our Unit 2 that we started in the last video. We stopped on lesson 2. Today I will start lesson 3 and lesson 4, the last 2 units in this unit. Here we have medicine and safety, means how to make the regulations regulations that or the steps that we take medicine in safe. Here we have the safe rules of taking medicine and dangers taking medicine. The first step in taking medicine and become safe: drink medicine with an adult, like this. Father or mother give you medicine. Medicine is on high shelf, because if it was in low shelf, you can take it, and this is harm for you if we take it without writing from the doctor, or without or without taking the advice from the doctor to take this medicine. So here medicine is on high shelf, is very safe. Here we have drink medicine without an adult is dangerous. In low shelf in cupboard is dangerous. Medicine in a bag is dangerous. Okay, this is the dangerous rule, the dangerous steps of taking a medicine. Here is safe and here is dangerous. The dangerous, I will repeat it again. Drink medicine with an adult is safe. Medicine is in high shelf is safe. Here we have drink medicine without an adult is wrong, dangerous. Medicine is in low cupboard is wrong, it's dangerous. Medicine in a bag is dangerous. Let's know more about this vocab in this part. We have here medicine. I think medicine, we took it before, it's not that difficult. Child, adult. I think adult is we take it in grade 1 and grade 2. The cycle of the human. Adult, without, high and low is opposite. Let's go to read this text and answer know the vocab related to this and answer the question below. When we are ill, we go to the hospital. The doctors and nurses help us. They are very kind. Doctors and nurses check your health. They give us medicine. They are very important to us. Here we have some vocab I would like to note. We have here ill, hospital, nurse, help, kind, check, health, give, important. When we are ill, we go to the when we are ill. I go to the club. No, it's wrong. I go to school. Wrong. I go to what? I go to the hospital. This is correct one. The doctors ask drink. Wrong. Help, wrong. Sorry. Help is correct. Make a mistake here. Here is we have play, wrong. It will be what? Doctors help us. They give us medicine. Can give us cars or toys? Wrong. Wrong. Okay. So I make this one because I replace myself as you in the exam and select the correct answer and make your mind as you make it in the exam. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have a practice here. This is the rules of shelf safe or dangers of the medicine. Here is the medicine in the low shelf. It will be dangerous. Yes, it will be here dangerous. I take medicine by adult. Yes, safe. High medicine in high shelf, safe. In the bag is dangerous. So this is the select of these pictures. Let's go to another one here. I will leave this exercise. This exercise as the one I answered here. Okay, I will leave it to you to do as a homework. Okay, let's go to another one. When we are ill, we go to hospital. Our clever pupils. It's a space to put medicine in high shelf. I would like to listen you. Save, you are safe. You are saying Miss Iman, save, you are clever people. Doctor, give us what? Medicine. Excellent. Drink medicine with an adult. Excellent. Moms shouldn't put the medicine on a space cupboard, in low cupboard, because what? Because it's dangerous for us to take it without the advice from the doctor. Doctors and nurses help us when we are sick. When we are fine, wrong. When we are good, wrong. They help us when we are what? When we are sick. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. This depends on this part. Let's answer this question. I would like to make your mind with me when we answer this part. Doctor and nurses, very important? Yes, very important. If we have we don't have nurses and doctors who become ill, and we don't find one who treats us. So doctors and nurses are important? Yes. Okay. Because and nurses is important. Why? Because the successful of any process of any treating for patients depend on nurses more than doctors, because doctors give the regulations or the regulations or the steps to the nurse to do things for us. Okay, so it's important. Doctors and nurses are very important to us. When we are ill, we go to club. Wrong. We go to what? Hospital, as we know in the text. Drinking medicine was adult safe. Yes, I'm listening. You saying this man safe. Medicine in the bag is safe. Wrong. Medicine is in the low shelf is safe. Wrong. In a high shelf, yes, safe. In low shelf, in low cupboard is dangerous, not safe. It's dangerous. Okay, it's dangerous. I will write it for you. And I would like to know this word. It's important to know it. Okay. As we told you, the vocab in Discover is some important and other not. But in the Connect and Connect Plus, we must keep the vocab, because it's language, and we must enrich your vocab to write the paragraphs, to read the comprehension. So we must improve your language by keeping more and more vocab. Okay. Drinking medicine without an adult is dangerous. Yes, it's right. Let's go to another one here. Here we have drinking. I will write the sentence that that we learned here in drinking medicine by adults. Drinking medicine by with an adult. Drinking medicine with an adult. Sorry, with an adult. With an adult. Okay. Here we have medicine is on high shelf. Is in high shelf. The high shelf to what? To be safe. Shelf to save. To be safe. To be safe. Okay. To be safe. Let's go to another one here. Here we have a punctuate. Let's answer the question of this punctuate. As we told you that we underline the wrong letter that we corrected. Let's do this question with each other. I would like to note with me, to do it with me. Here we have, I underline the wrong letter that I corrected. Here is in capital letter, small letter, I will write it in capital letter. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here is doctor written in capital letter, I will write it in small letter, and I will write it in capital letter, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. If the sentence is question, I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another lesson here. Here we have lesson 4. Let's know it together. Here is the pronouns of CK and SK. Let's know how to pronounce these words, or this vocab together. Here we have sick, black, kick, clock, duck. Here is pronounced CK like this: sick, black, kick, clock, and duck. Here we have skin, skirt, sky, skip. Skin, skin, skirt, sky, and skip. Let's go to another one. Notes here. SK and with sky and desk. Ends with what? With SK. We have CK ended by what? By C. Okay. Here is the words related this by this pronouns. Here we have skin. I will write skin. I will write two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself after vocabulary, after keeping the vocab. I will leave these to do it by yourself after after keeping the vocab. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the homework that we do it. You must write this vocab to keep it. Okay. Here we have sick, 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 black, 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 kick, clock, dog. I will repeat and repeat after me. Sick, black, kick, clock, dog. Sick, black, kick, clock, and dog. Here we have skin, skirt, skin, skirt, sky, skip, skin, skirt, sky, and skip. Let's go to another one. Here is in this part, we talk about the punctuation mark. As we know, we have full stop, we have exclamation mark, we have commas, we have full stop. This is called punctuation mark. If the sentence is interrogative or question, I put a question mark. We have a same rule in all sentence. We must start the sentence by what? By capital letter as it is, and put question mark if the sentence is question form. If the sentence in a statement form, I put what? I put a full stop at the end of the sentence. If we have an exclamation sentence, I would put what? I put the exclamation mark like this. Okay. Here we have. I answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. What does your heart do? So I put what? I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Does the dog have a heart? So I put here question mark. Let's go to another one here. This is the practice on unit 4. Let's answer together. Here we have, what is this? It's skirt. It's skirt. I answer this one. This girl is thick. She's thick. Duck. Here is kick. Okay. I will leave the next question to do it by yourself. It's the same like the one I answered. I will leave another one to do by yourself. Here we have. Let's go to another one here. Sky. Which one is sky? This one by this one. Clock. This one by this one. Black. This one by this one. Skip. This one by this one. Here we have selected the correct answer. The space is black. What is this? It's dark, so I select this one. The boys kick the ball. She is sick. Let's go to another one here. In scramble and missing words, missing letters, both depend on keeping the vocab. I answer one of them, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself as after studying the vocab. Here is sky, and here is kick. Okay, here is sky, and here is kick. Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have, this is a skirt. 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 She's skipped. We can say she skips the hop. We can say she skips the hop. Skips the hop. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one here. Here we have a punctuation that we corrected. Yeah, let's do it by ourselves. Yeah, let's do it by yourself. But let's do it together. Here is, we have where. What is wrong here? I replace the small letter by capital letter, and I put at the end of the sentence, I put question mark here. There is a question mark. I'm doing wrong way. This is called a question mark. Here is a question mark. Here is I. As we told you, grade 6, for millions and millions and millions and millions, that I pronoun I is the only pronoun that comes in any place of the sentence must be written in what? In capital letter. Don't write the pronoun I in any place in a small letter. This pronoun is the only pronoun that's written in capital letter in any place of the sentence. If we come in the first, in the middle, in the at the end of the sentence, we must write the pronoun I in capital letter. And I put at the end of the sentence, I put question mark. Let's go to another one here, another question here. Here is the dictation written in Arabic, and this is written in Arabic, and we write it in English. Here is, I can skip rob. Here is a skip rob. Okay, skip rob. Skip rob. Here is skip rob. Here is skin. Okay, skin. If we keep the vocab, you can answer this question correctly. Okay, here is cake. I write it cake. It says here clock. Okay. If you study the vocab very well, you can answer this question. Okay, this is depend on keeping the vocab. Okay, let's go to another question here. Here is the review on Unit 2. Let's review together. Here is headache. Here in this unit, we talk about what? About illnesses and treating from it. Okay, here is headache, cold, cough, fever, sick, medicine. We have here eye, mouth, nose, arm, foot, feet, leg, hand, heart, skin, bones, stomach, pump, blood, protect, digest, and health. Here is we have a phonics, CK and phonics SK. Let's read it together. Let's pronounce this vocab together. We have thick, black, kick, clock, and duck. We have thick, black, kick, clock, and duck. We have here skin, skirt, sky, and skip. Let's go to another one here. Here is what if the matter? What if the matter? What if the matter? The answer, it will be in two ways. It will be I have a disease like this, or we say I feel sick. Both is the reply or the answer of what is the matter. When I ask about the matter, I can answer by two ways. I have a headache, I have a stomachache, I have a cold, a cough, any disease that I have it, and or I say I feel sick only without saying our illnesses. Okay, let's go to another one here, to another item in this unit. Here we have medicine and safety. As we know, the ways of safety and ways of dangers. Here is drink medicine with an adult. Medicine is in a high child. Drink medicine without an adult is dangerous. Here is dangerous. Medicine is in low cupboard, not shelf, cupboard is in danger. Medicine in a bag is dangerous. So the steps of saving medicine: drink medicine with an adult. Medicine is in a high shelf. Here is drink medicine without an adult is dangerous. Medicine in a low cupboard is dangerous. Medicine is in a bag is dangerous. Let's go to another one. I will leave it to do it by yourself. I answer one of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is I will answer the one of the tests depend on this unit, and I will leave the another one to do it by yourself. I answer this one, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have what is the missing letters here? It will be fever. So it will be fever. Answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is skirt. Here is what cough, and here is skin. You can answer after you keeping the vocab. Okay. Let's go to another to this dialogue. You can read the dialogue then and put the suitable words. Hannah and Amira. What is the space? I have a space. Here is the topic of this unit. It's what is the matter? So the answer, it will be what is the matter. When we ask something about someone about your health, I say I will have an illness. I will say what I say. I asked him what I asked him by saying what is the matter? I have a headache, or can we have another answer here? It will be what? It will be I feel sick. Okay, if we don't want to say our illness, I say I feel sick. This is the two ways of answering what is the matter. Okay, let's go to another question here, to the next question here in this part. Here we have what is the space, what is the matter? I have code, so it will be here. What is the matter? I what here? I have a headache. This one. The boy space the ball, kicks My stomach, space food, digestive. Drink medicine with a space with an adult. I feel sick. So I can say that in simple tense, I, you, we, they. Don't take as I, we, you, they. In the simple tense, can't take as or can't like as without adding s. Don't I, you, we, they don't like s, but he, she, it, but he, she, it like s. Okay, he, she, it like s. This is the song I will learn it to you to know which one like s and which one don't like s. So I, you, we, they don't like s, but he, she, it like s. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have, this is the sentence, and I will put the suitable sentence on in the suitable place. Amola, I have a cold. I cover my nose and mouth. Nose and mouth. It will be the answer here. It will be nose and mouth. With what? With the tissue. I think all of us know the tissue. That the cloth that we put it on nose to prevent cold from spreading on the room. Okay. I take medicine too. I take medicine too. My sister Salma is very sick. Okay, is very sick. She coughs and has what? And has a headache. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. We will go to the comprehension passage. Let's go to the comprehension passage, the important picture. I would like to say something grade 4 related to this part of the question in the exam. You must read the text very well because we have behind meanings. Okay, you must read carefully before you answering the question. Let's read it together and answer the question below. Okay, here is we have. I'm Rami. Today I feel sad because my dad is sick. She has a headache. I give him some medicine and a glass of water. He should try to sleep. He shouldn't listen to loud music. Rami feels what here? As we know it here in this sentence, sad. Rami's dad had a headache, as we note here in this text. What does Rami give his thought? Here we have thus. So the verb must be in the simple tense by adding s to the verb. Rami gives his dad what? Gives his dad some medicine and a glass of water. Okay, let's go to next question in this exercise. Here we have, this is the way of what? Of the subject, verb, object. The rule that we know it, subject, verb, object. This rule, I think we learned it from grade 1 till grade 6. This is the rule that we must be know it in any question that have an example. This question, we must know this rule to answer this question in the correct way. Here we have. First of all, I search about the subject. Where is the subject here? The subject can be what? Can be pronoun, can be two. Pronoun or noun. I would like to know this in the subject. The subject can be noun or pronoun. Let's answer this question together. So it will be I. This is pronoun. I feel. This is the verb. I feel what? I feel sick. So here, this is subject, verb, and object. This is the components of the sentence. Here is have, hit, ache, a. So the answer, it will be I. This is the subject. This is the subject. Where is the verb have? I have what? I have a headache. Okay. This is the sentence of. This is the component of the sentence. Okay. So must write it in the correct way. So in rewrite this rule, you can answer this question in correct way. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is where I have you can say Miss Iman. This rule depend on all the sentence. Yes, depend on sentence. But when we have a question form, what I can do, I replace the verb instead of what? I replace the verb instead of subject. I make replacement or scissor or replacement, anything. We must replace the verb instead of subject, like this. What is the matter? It will be here, what is the matter? This is the question. I will leave the rest one to think and do it by yourself. I think it's easy to do it, okay? Let's go to another question here. I can write 3 sentences here. I will give you I give you 3 sentences. You can say here, I can say here, I'm sick. I can say I feel sick. Here I say I feel sick. I feel sick. This is one sentence. Can write another sentence. I have a cough. I have a cough. My father give me a medicine. My father or my dad, or anything. My father gives me a medicine. Gives me a medicine. Okay. So it's an easy sentence. I think I select an easy sentence to know it. Okay, it's an easy sentence to write it. Okay, you must select an easy sentence with a simple sentence to write it in the exam. Okay, there's I feel sick. I have a cough. I have a cough. My father. So here is cough, not cough, cold, not cough. I'm sorry here, not cough. It's cold. Okay, because I don't see the boy. I think it's boy cold, not cough. My father gives me a medicine. Let's go to another question here. There is a 3 sentences that I write it. I can write it by yourself. If you have any another sentence, you can write it. It's okay, okay? But you must be in correct way. Let's go to another one here. Here we have. In this question, what I can do, I underline the wrong letter that I corrected. Here, my written in small letter, so I will write it in capital letter. My dad has an egg, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here is what written in a small letter, so I write it in capital letter. And here is I put what? I put a question mark at the end of the sentence because it's a question. Okay, you must take care if you have a question or statement form because it's the difference between them. You have a difference because in the question mark we put in the question form we put a question mark here. Okay. Here we have, I would like to answer this question, this part of the question. Here we have, I space reading or is reading a book. So here it will be what? It will be what? Here is the present continuous tense. I am plus verb plus ing. He, she, it takes is plus verb plus ing. Plus verb plus ing. Let's answer this question together. I space a book. I what here? I am reading a book. I'm listening. You say I'm reading. You are clever people. Why? Because I takes aim. Muaz, I think Muaz, what is playing football? They are clever pupils. Here is the cat. The cat what is sleeping. Okay. Today we end from unit 2. Next class I will start unit 3 with you. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.